How to take a photo in Wuthering Waves. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you've just started exploring the world of Wuthering Waves and want to save those beautiful landscapes, characters, or combat moments, then here's how you can take a photo in it. First of all, launch open the Wuthering Waves game on your device, and once you are done, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner, this circle over here at the top right, just tap on that. And from this terminal page, click on the camera logo at the bottom right, and you'll be able to open up your camera. You are now in the camera mode. You can go ahead and adjust the zoom in and out effect by dragging the slider on the right corner over here, and go ahead and rotate your screen. Find the angle you want to capture it in, and once you are done with it, go to the upper left corner and tap on this menu button. Here you can go ahead and select if you want your character model appearing on the image or not. You can also go ahead and switch on the face the camera option, or you can switch it off if you don't want it. You can also further adjust the DOF option, where you can go ahead and adjust the focal distance, depth, blur radius, and so on. Now go to the top of the screen, and from here you can go ahead and make your model appear with the poses over here. Just select the animation and watch your character pose for the photo. Now finally, after picking one of the animations, go to the top of the screen and tap on the magical wand option. From here you can go ahead and select the filter you want to use for the photo. After making the selection for the filter as well, now it's time to take your photo. Go ahead and tap on this camera icon at the bottom right, and there you have taken a picture. And that's it. You've learned how you can take amazing in-game photos like a pro in Wuthering Waves. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and don't forget to capture your best moment. Now you can save your photo on your device's camera roll by tapping the save option. You can also share it on social media platforms. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.